Hello there. In this video I want to show how we can use Firebug to um, inspect the reason behind the space to the left of the nav bar and on the right side of the nav bar. The user would like to get rid of the space so that the navigation looks the same width as that of the header and the content area. So I'm going to bring up Firebug by pressing F12 on my keyboard, and I'm going to press the inspect element button and move it over here, and we can see that the navigation is currently shown as the active element. So I'm going to just click on it and scroll down in the Firebug left panel, and as I put my mouse over on the div, I can see that on the web page it shows what element we are currently having the mouse on. So I just clicked on the right arrow key to expand the div, and when I put my mouse over on the div which is inside, we can see the yellow on the web page. Yellow indicates margin, so that means this particular div on which the mouse currently rests has a left margin, has a right margin, and a bottom margin. So if we want to get rid of the space at the left and right, all we need to do is set this left and right margins on this particular element to uh, 0. So I just click on this particular div, and we can see the CSS selector is already there in place for us. Please note that this is not always the case, but in this case it happens that the selector is shown, and we can see that it is builder module navigation, which is a class inside that builder module element. So we can see it here. Yeah. So if you see, if you observe this particular div, it has the class of, it has so many classes, and one of them is this builder module navigation. Inside that is the div having the class of builder module element. So you can just simply copy that selector, and we can go to style.css of the child theme and click on source edit, go all the way to the bottom and paste it, and we want to set the left margin to 0, and we want to set the right margin to 0. So uh, when we type the CSS properties, we can see that immediately how they are affecting the web page. So now the navigation is at the same having the same width as that of the header and the content area. So all we got to do now is we have to copy this, in the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, we just go to appearance and editor and paste it at the end of the style.css file. So we go to appearance, editor, and we just paste that style rule at the end of the file and update it. Okay, so that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.